So this wind that just blew by, this is the reason why they're shutting the power off. Here we are in extremely windy Northern California where PG&E is mandating the power outages because of this extraordinarily extreme wind situation that we are having. These are the high winds occurring right now as the power is being shut off. This is quite frightening, quite a terrible condition, similar to a hurricane situation or worse. Here comes one of those deadly winds now. There it is on camera. It's an amazing catch.